Every day, apps generate massive amount of data from online transaction to e-commerce purchases. This data is stored in databases, which can be thought of as huge Excel files, but on a much larger scale. These databases contains everything from user information to financial records. MongoDB is one such most widely used database. As organizations generate terabytes of data, databases become essential for storing and managing this information. However, when organizations like banks or even educational institutions get hacked, users' financial information, personal information, or even health records are exposed. For organizations, it could lead to severe financial or legal consequences as well as loss of customer trust. For individuals like us, it could lead to identity theft or financial loss. With so many cyber attacks happening today, database security has become more crucial than ever to prevent such losses. Like other databases, MongoDB also faces significant security challenges. One such challenge is unauthorized access, where an attacker can manipulate the database to steal data. My research focuses on securing MongoDB from being compromised. In other words, I'm a guardian of the database galaxy. We live in an age where AI and machine learning has become part of our lives. My approach uses machine learning to detect attacks on MongoDB in real time. Essentially, a machine learning model is trained to recognize normal behaviors in databases so it can spot unusual activities and flag potential attacks before they cause damage. Now, detecting is just one part of the solution, but what if the data is lost or compromised? My research also focuses on recovering data by analyzing MongoDB logs to reconstruct events or restore lost information, preventing future breaches. As the guardians of the galaxies say, the trap isn't a trap if you know the trap is trapping you. It's a face-off. As the database become backbone of the digital age, my research will create tools to detect threat and recover lost information, which not only benefits organizations from costly breaches, but also keeps users' data safe. Moreover, ensuring data security in today's data-driven world is essential to maintain trust in modern technology. So yes, I'm in a face-off with the bad guys. Thank you.